Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to the online class. Today we want to look at the midpoint of a line segment. So if you have a line AB, of course we know the distance between the two points A and B. So point C is the midpoint of A and B. So how do we get point C? This point is X, here is X1, and here is X2. This place is Y1, Y, and here is Y2. So here will be Y2 minus Y. This place will be Y minus Y1. Here will be X2 minus X. Here will be X minus X1. So if you want to find the midpoint of AB, which is denoted as C, the midpoint of AC will now be, if you consider along the horizontal, we have X minus X1 equal to X2 minus X. So we can bring X to X. X plus X will now be equal to X1 plus X2. Then 2X is equal to X1 plus X2. Then divided by 2 over 2. So the value of X, the midpoint of X will now be X1 plus X2 all over 2. We do the same thing along the vertical. So we are going to get Y, the value of Y. The midpoint is X comma Y. The value of Y will now be Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula to find the midpoint. The midpoint of a line segment. So let's see example where we are finding the midpoint of the line segment. A, this is X1, Y1. Then here is X2, Y2. So the midpoint of AB in this example will now be X1 is 3, X2 is 1 plus 1 all over 2, comma, Y1 is 5 plus 3 all over 2. So we are going to have 4 all over 2, comma, 8 all over 2. So the midpoint of this AB will now be 2, comma 4. So this is the midpoint of the midpoint of A and B. So if you want to find the midpoint of a line segment, go ahead, just add the coordinate, X coordinate to X coordinate divided by 2, the Y coordinate to Y coordinate divided by 2. And that is what you are expected to do. So thank you.